is my keyboard experience? Let me boot it up. So just press the power button, you will see that I'll boot in a few seconds. So let me log in real quick. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Microsoft Word on this. By the way, the touchpad is really nice. Okay, so the Microsoft Word is now opened. Okay, so I'm going to write the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy frog. I don't know, but I'm going to try writing that. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy frog, right? And you can see I made absolutely no mistakes. I do touch type, yes, without looking at the keyboard. And the keyboard experience is pretty good, but the keys do make weird noise. The keys are a bit mushy for my taste, but you can see that I just wrote that without any issues. The keys are a bit mushy, they have a little bit soft feeling, but that is expected at this price tag. That said, I love the keyboard. I love this full-size shift key, which is sometimes omitted on compact laptops like these. I do however miss the dedicated context menu key. So here you usually have a context menu key which acts as a right click. I'm a heavy user of that. It's missing, so what I did, I installed an application called Key Mapper, and now I've remapped this right control key, which I do not use much, and I remapped this to context menu. So what happens is whenever I press the right control key, I get this. It acts as right click, and I often use it for correcting my mistakes if I make any. So yeah, that's the only thing that is missing. Of course, you do not get backlit keyboard at this price. And the touchpad, yes, the touchpad is very nice. It does offer the two finger scrolling gesture. So if you want to scroll, you just use the two fingers up and down to scroll up and down. And if you want to right click, you can just use the two fingers to just tap, and it will open the context menu just like it would open on an Apple MacBook. So yeah, they have taken some ideas from Apple. It uses two finger gestures and two finger tap for right click. Other than that, I've got no issues with this.